Shit. All right, on this episode, y'all. Oh, damn, my shit burbling. My shit cutting up. Man, that shit was a fail, bro. Today, we're gonna make a little episode sliding around in the M4. You already know. Pulled up, I'm on a homie's D's house. You know, he gonna ride along with me, help me out with the little camera. What's up, Nike Ted? Pulled up with the cat there.
They had to come outside, man. They had to rain, all right, man. Drag pack on the back, let's ride, man.
Oh, wildin' out. We got the guys right here, you know what I mean? If you don't know now, you know we got that Hellcat 20 month wide body. You gonna get your little review on this one? You gonna see what you do on DGT stepping? Let's ride, y'all. Got the cars out, finna make a little content with y'all. Stay tuned, yeah.
You see, man? See, now we gotta talk about shit, man.
Oh.
Say now we outside, man.
Okay, all right. You look like the Cruz from Chib with all that red, man.
100, I gotta match the steering wheel though. And the dash, going fast, going fast.
How much on the dashboard? Fucking, what's up, man? If y'all don't know on Instagram, y'all tap in. What they be talking? Why they always talk about your plastic seat, bro?
Bro, how you know about that seat so much, bro? You be looking at the comments or something?
Nah.
He said everybody, hey, that one video, like everybody talk about that seat.
Let's ride, bro. You ready to ride?
Yeah, bro.
Come on, man.
Talk to your vlog.
Oh, he loud. You want to warm his shit up, get some rollers?
Tear this shit up, boy. Hey, how much power that got? Oh, like 1,000?
I'm gonna beat you to the light, but be careful. Be careful now.
Right, huh?
Oh, we gonna show right? Yeah. Yeah. Born engineering. You know what I mean? That nigga was just recording with them. That nigga funny.
Oh yeah. Real highway POV, isn't it?
We gonna cut up, bro, with this Hellcat right here, bro. He know what he talking about. Nah. That's dangerous. Watch out, bitch. I'm on you. I forgot. Hellcat Marty in the back though, with the things on. I can't be doing. Oh, he right there.
Yeah, he got the radios.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, that's fucking brand. You better slow down.
Yep.
I'll be forgetting about that shit, man.
You ever use your windshield wipers?
Oh yeah, that's the BMW on this for real.
Yeah. Never use your turn signal? See the little bit of a precipitation coming down. You know what I mean? We're gonna get around. This thing gonna get a reaction.
Yeah, bro, we gonna see, bro.
Hey, if y'all don't know, bro, this nigga be the Mustang. He be wilding out in the Stang, man.
Bro, I ain't never been in nothing like this.
We're going right to the right, to the left, to the left. I forgot traction's on. To the right, to the left, to the left. Pulling up, bro. Hellcat Marty said it's getting a little too wet for his radios.
Look at it. You ready? I'm gonna get in there. Nah. Smell like some dope smell. Ah, fuck.
You lying, nigga. You know that shit don't hurt. Struggles, y'all. If y'all don't know these both, this 6'9". This one 6'5".
Oh.
How 6'5", 6'9" fit in this?
Yeah, I can do that for sure. Oh, you wildin'. Oh, we get down in this, bro.
We just hit the gas one time, you know what I mean? Hit the gas. What's over here? Who you talking about? I know where this one goes. Hey, these cars be built for this range shit, yeah.
I'm feeling 100 all the way.
What did nigga doing back there? What you doing? That nigga go like this. He like, I'm gonna show this to my nephews. This nigga right there. You funny, bro. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Hey, we did 360, but we good, though. We gonna keep it going. Oh, Marlon. And recover after that one. Oh. Hey, look at hey, the dread. This nigga shaking them dread. Why you over there looking right there? It is a Trackiana, and it's a shotty. You know the husband probably a law enforcement or some shit, bro. I don't want to fight with it, bro. We roll that up.
What you do? She like sell packs?
All right, yeah, good Trackiana, yeah. See, it say even the sign up there to say to go drift. Puss ass is. It road globe was Eddie. Oh, my stomach though. Yeah.
Wow, nigga, on the bumpy road like that with them graves.
That shit fine.
Cap for that one.
There go that little hop.
Hey, do you shift when you're like you're going?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What's that little hook right there for the bitch?
Mm-hmm. Diff bushings.
Nigga, not worry about you.
You doing your pre-trip inspection?
What's up?
Pre-trip inspection?
Oh, don't worry about that.
No, I'm just fucking with you.
Throughout the day, right? Fuck that time. You don't even know it's around the corner, nigga.
Oh, what the? Nah, I'm trying to use my braking foot to get that shit good. Hold on, I like that. Get that one more time.
No cameras.
I'm rolling, hit the little left, right. Left, right.
Let me see you do it. Left, do it. Right, do it. Left, do it. Right, do it. Left, do it. Right, do it. Left.
Throw it. Here you go.
No. That ain't it.
Flat with it, Mike. Flat with it, nigga.
Yeah! Yo, you having fun?
Oh yeah, nigga.
That's what I like doing, bro.
Staging.
All right, so we got Takeover fella. D gonna slide.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, I'm trying to learn how to slide them in so you see that? Yeah! Oh!
Oh, that's hard!
Here, go ahead, handle that. Oh, we good.
Yeah, we making plays, man. Get in.
All right, bro. I'm making this video gonna be lit.
I'm about to get me some shit, bro.
Ah! You heard her. Y'all be stay tuned for D gon' drive, eh? What you talking about?
Little fake round.
Zoop, zoop. You see that?
My nigga mine got the fucking more.
No. We just slide. We taking risks. Take a risk. Yeah.
Bro. That's exactly what I said not to do.
Yeah.
Hey, we can't hear you over that.
Hey, we can't hear that, bro. What are you talking about?
Successful day. That's it.
All right, bro.
We got dry pass
Oh shit, they got him. We have a walker on the side of the road. He's going down. They caught him with 25 pounds of that Khalifa Kush. Ridiculous.
You see my plane protect, cost Jerry Rice, nigga. I spent over 80K just last.